Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying third chapter, data handling. Dear friends, we are studying question number 5. Question number 5 is consider this data collected from survey of a colony. Favorite favorite sport is cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey, athletics, and 1240 people like to watch cricket, 620 people participate in cricket game, 470 people like to watch basketball, 320 people participate in basketball game, 510 people like to watch swimming, and 320 participate in swimming, 430 people like to watch hockey, and 250 people participate in hockey, 250 people like to watch athletics, and 105 people participate in athletics. So we are given this information and we are asked draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. So we have to choose a proper scale. What do you infer from the bar graph? And we asked some inference. Let us draw the graph for this. Now see, we are given 5 games, so I am going to keep 1 centimeter gap. Since it is a double bar graph, I will need 2 centimeters for this. So 1 centimeter is a gap, and we will need 2 centimeters for the cricket. So cricket, I am taking name of the games on x-axis. Then again 1 centimeter is the gap between 2 bars. Next game is basketball. Again 1 centimeter gap. Again 2 centimeters we will need since it is a double bar graph. Third game is swimming. 1 centimeter gap. Fourth game is hockey. Again 1 centimeter gap. Next is athletics. On y-axis, see, maximum number of people is 1240. So we have to take the scale properly in such a way that 1240 will be there on y-axis. So I will select 1 centimeter is equal to 100. So if you select 1 centimeter is equal to 100, this will be 100, then 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, then 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500. We are having 1240 as maximum, so you will notice that this graph will occupy everything. Now we have taken number of persons on y-axis, so we need to write what we have taken on y-axis. Here we have taken number of persons or number of people, number of persons, and on x-axis we have taken name of the games, name of games. So we need to write the scale. On x-axis we have taken games, names of games or games you can say. On y-axis we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 100 persons. 100%. Now 1240 people watch cricket. So 1240 will come here. 1240. Please note here it is 4 lines. Then next is 620. 600 is here. 620 will come 2 lines. Let us draw the bars for this. Cricket game. Next is basketball. We have 470 people, like this is 400, and 70 means 7 lines above 400. 320 people like to watch 320 means 2 small lines. Let us draw the bars for this. Then next is swimming. 510 people. 500 is here. So 510 will be first small line. And 320 will come 300 and small 2 lines. Let us draw the bars for this. Then for hockey we have 430. 400 is here. So 430 means 3 small lines. And 250, this is 200. So the middle bold line. Lastly, for athletics, we have 250 people and 105 people. 105, please note, 110 is the small line, 105 is between one small line and the bold line. Now you will notice that all the bars are looking same, but these are two different bars. First indicates watching, second indicates participating. So I am going to use the two different shades for these bars. First, for this I will use no shading and slant lines for participating. So if it is shaded, you can shade like this. We have drawn double bar graph. This is example number 5. Example number 5 from exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. And we have drawn double bar graph. Double bar graph of, on y-axis is number of persons. Number of persons against or versus against games or name of games. So after shading, our graphs will look like this. Now see, we have questions on this graph. First question is, draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale. What do you infer from the bar graph? So from this graph you can understand that cricket is most favorite game. More number of people like to watch, as well as more number of people like to play. And athletics is least popular game. Less number of people participate, as well as less number of people like to watch it. We can also infer that more number of people like to watch any of the sport than actually participating in that particular game. Second question is, which sport is most popular? So second question given in the exercise is, which sport is most popular? You can notice here these bars are bigger, these all bar graphs are smaller. It means the cricket game is most popular since the bars are bigger. And last question is, which is more preferred, watching or participating in sports? You will notice this watching unshaded bars are always bigger than the shaded bars. It indicates that watching is more preferred than actually participating in any sport.